everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my finished jewelry for the Dollar Bead box for July of 2023. I loved this box. It was so beachy and beautiful. I made one tutorial out of this, and this was the tutorial. So I will leave a link below so you can go and check it out and see. I made this necklace. I thought this turned out so pretty with the little shells. It was just, loved these beads. They're so gorgeous. I'm always happy with the box, no matter what the colors are, because the quality of the fire polish beads and the other beads are just, they're superb. So you're never disappointed with them. So yeah, so I made this, and I just took one strand, and then I put these on head pins and just dangled them down, and then did these pretty beads right here. This turned out beautiful. So I have that one. Then I did these gorgeous little beachy earrings using the fire polish beads. I thought they were so pretty. They're so gorgeous. I absolutely loved these. And I just took beading wire and then beat it around, and then I used the 2-hole beads that they gave us, that one strand. I used those all up. I used them on another necklace that I made. So I did these pretty ones. Then, and I still have some beads left, I'll tell you. Then I did these little beachy dragonfly ones. Oh, these were so pretty. Loved this. I love the etching in these table cut beads. So I did these. Then I did, and I'll put this up on a bust too. Then I did this one. So I ended up taking these two. It's not laying flat here because it's meant to curve around the neck. So I'm just showing you this part first. So I did these pieces right here, and then the little dagger beads. Let me kind of hold it up. And I used up the rest of the 2-strand. Let me undo this. This is a nice solid necklace, I'll tell you. Okay, there. So this is how it looks. Let me kind of pick this up. So yeah, so I just took 3 little 3 head pins, and I did the longest one in the middle. And then I did 2 strands and then connected them right here. But I did this one a little longer so that it hangs down a little farther like that. And then I just did the 2 strands, and I just worked my way up to the top. And then I just did the lobster clasp and that. So I love the way this one turned out. This one's so pretty. It has a harder time laying flat, but when it's on the neck, it lays really nice. That's how I do most of my, when I do double strand necklaces like this, they like the way they lay. So I did this one. I got this one. So I was really, really happy with all of this. Let me see, I will show you everything that I have left for this month. Hope I don't drop anything. Yeah, I didn't use any of these, and these are so pretty. I still have to use those. I still have a lot left that I'm gonna go through, and I still have some of the shell beads. I still got some of the fire polish, the cabochon. So this is so pretty. I think I'm gonna make that into like the part of a choker. And still, I didn't use any of the pearls either. But I will be using these up. I have a drawer just filled with fire polish beads from them. I usually separate everything by color. But for some reason, these fire polish beads, like when I'm looking for a color, if I'm doing something like with a bunch of different colors in or something, and I know I want a fire polish bead, I have a fire polish bead drawer that's just with these beads. So yeah, I loved this box. So yeah, I will leave the link below to the dollar bead box. You need to check them out, and I hope you enjoyed this. I will leave the link to the tutorial below for this, my seashell necklace. And I will, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, because I do a lot of tutorials and a lot of videos and unboxings and have a lot of fun doing it. I'm very inspired by when you guys leave comments and you tell me how much you like something. It inspires me to keep creating. So please keep that up. I really enjoy reading everybody's comments, and I try to answer everybody. Yeah, and I have all my Facebook, Instagram, Etsy, and my Pinterest links below if you would like to follow me on there. And let me know down in the comments what you think of this jewelry. And I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you on my next video. You have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.